Hello there. In this video we will learn the 10 basic keyboard shortcut keys which every Windows user must know. So moving on to the video. So the first one is the emoticon. Many people don't know, but Windows have provided the emoticon shortcut so that the users can use emojis in several places like text editors or other applications. All you need to do is hold the Windows key and the period key or the full stop key, and a pop-up will show. Now moving on to the next one, which is screenshot. Did you know that just like smartphones, your PC can also take screenshots? All you need to do is hold the Windows key and press the PRT SCR or print screen button, and your PC will take the screenshot of the current display. For locating your image, you just need to go to this PC and then go to pictures, and there you will see a folder named screenshot. Just open that. Now moving on to the next one, which is snapshot. Snapshot is similar to screenshot, but if you want to take the screenshot of a particular area in the screen and not the full screen, you can use this option. All you need to do is just hold the Windows key, the Shift key and the letter S, and then select the area you want to take the screenshot of. The next one is toggling between the applications. By holding the Ctrl, Alt and Tab key, you can switch between the applications you have opened. The next one is the Show Desktop key. By holding the Windows and the letter D key, you can switch between the active application and the desktop. Now moving on to the next one, which is placing applications side by side. Suppose you want to copy the content of this file to another file, but what happens here is, as soon as I click on the other application, this application minimizes and the other one becomes active. But I want to work simultaneously on both of them. So what can I do? I can place these applications side by side. Just by using the Windows key and the arrow key, I'll move this application to the left side and the other one to the right side. Now I can work simultaneously on both of them, and none of it will get minimized. Similarly, you can place more than two applications by holding the Windows key and playing with the arrow keys. Now moving on to the next one, which is opening my computer or File Explorer. This is a very handy shortcut and I have been using this from last 8 years. Just hold the Windows key and press the letter E and your File Explorer will pop up. The next one is also toggling between the applications, but with a different way. So you can see my taskbar has bunch of applications which are opened up. Suppose if I press the Windows key and the numeric key 1, so the application placed on the taskbar at number 1 position will open up. In this case, it is the Excel sheet. Similarly, if I press the number 4, Chrome will open up, and on number 5, Word document will open up. The next one is very useful. It opens the clipboard and you can retrieve the last 10 copied elements. Just hold the Windows key and the letter V and the clipboard will pop up, and the clipboard will list all the last 10 elements which were copied. Now the last one, which is Task Manager. By using the Ctrl, Shift and Escape key, you can directly open the Task Manager and you can save a few steps. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you learned something new from this video. If you found this video helpful, you can give this video a thumbs up. You can also comment down your queries and issues in the comment section. Till then, keep creating, keep learning. Bye bye.